Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to code a bot in Discord using Python. First you should go to Discord Developer Portal. Make a new application and name it whatever you'd like. Follow these steps. It is very important. Enable these or the bot will not run. Invite the bot to your server before running to see if it is online. Alright, after you have been done configuring your Discord bot, make a new folder and name it anything, then open Visual Studio. I almost forgot, make a bot.py folder so you could code the bot. Alright, now you are going to open Visual Studio Code or whatever you are using. Alright, we are going to code. Finally, alright. Please follow my steps and make sure you are not making any errors in the code or the bot will not work. Let's test the bot to see if it is responsive. As you can see, the bot has responded to me, and that's all for this video. Please subscribe and like, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.